Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am back. I've been in hiatus for probably a month now since there's been a lot of things happening. First of all, you can kinda tell why I'm not uploading much. There's a lot of background noise and I think that at least you guys deserve something that isn't really that very annoying to hear. Unfortunately, I never get to experience that time where there's no noise, so apologies, but I did promise that I will be trying to restore this channel, so hope you guys don't mind the background noise. So I'm back to give you guys the greens. A lot of things been happening since I have been in hiatus. The market has been down. I didn't know that the market misses me, so so that's why I'm returning back. So if I'm back, then everything will be green again. There you go, then everything will be going back to normal. So first of all will be the channel updates. I will be trying still to upload at least daily here in this channel. I understand that not a lot of people enjoy the background noise, and I am very sorry for that. I can't do anything right now unless I get very lucky in crypto or I get my own studio. The news is that China bans Elon Musk tweets FUD, and there's a lot of FUD right now in the crypto space. Unfortunately though, I don't care. I just bought the dip, and when it keeps on dipping, I just add more, and fortunately it's been great. So what happened is I used most of the funds to buy Doge at 3.36, and then I sold it at 0.73, and then this is my profits after that. After that day, I immediately bought Ethereum thinking that Ethereum will go to 5k, but it didn't work. So when I was charting and doing the technical analysis, I noticed that Bitcoin has been dropping considerably, so I shorted the market. Luckily though, I did get some profit out of it by shorting the market. I didn't expect though that it will double dip. So what happened is that I shorted BNB because it's mirroring Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin got dropped to around 40,000, BNB I think reached 400 from 560 or 600, around those lines. It's really bizarre for me to see such a huge dip, but I didn't expect BNB to reach to 80, which is very lucky for those who purchased the dip. And I wasn't expecting Bitcoin to reach 30k, but then again, when the market is emotional, you can never know which one's the low. So what happened is that I kind of lost like 40% paper loss, because I did, after I shorted it, I bought some BNB after that, and then all of a sudden another crash happens. But I think maybe when this video is uploaded, the market will be already on the up. I don't think that there's a lot of people thinking that Bitcoin will reach 20 to 10,000. I don't think that's gonna happen now, simply because there's more institutions, there's more investors, industrial investors, big companies such as MicroStrategy, Tesla. There's a lot of companies right now that has been in Bitcoin, and I don't see them dumping it anytime soon. There's a lot of people in Twitter as well, very famous people like Tom from MySpace, who's been purchasing the dip as well. So for me, I don't think that it's realistic to reach 10k Bitcoin. I don't think that it's possible right now, but who knows, it could happen as well. So the market is that there's a lot of FUD, and people keep on harassing about the China ban. China banning has been since 2018. They've been trying to ban crypto, and right now, I think they tried to ban the banks that are trying to have transactions with crypto. There is still a lot of loophole on those things, and I don't see a time where China can find some loopholes. I completely understand that it's an authoritarian country, so the chances of them cracking down more on those crypto banks will be even harder. But again, if weird happens, I don't think it's gonna really affect the crypto, as Chinese people can just have other offshore accounts, and they can just transfer their yen to other currencies and then turn it back to other currencies just in case they needed the money. So that's my look on the crypto right now. There has been a lot of hate on Elon Musk. Please, though, be more logical on those things. I think Elon is not the most perfect guy to promote cryptos, but I think that at least it has some potential by having him being one of those backers. Now it's a long time for crypto to be here all around, and there will be a lot of problems and issues still, and I'm expecting more drops along the way. And if you bought the dip, then congratulations. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of gains right now. For those, unfortunately, who got very scared, and unfortunately, I know that novice investors tend to get wrecked. One thing you need to know about the crypto space is that you need to do your own research. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme here. In cryptos, yes, it's faster than stock market, but it still is a very new and innovative space. It's not too regulated right now. I'm a little bit worried about Tether though, as there's a lot of shade right now on that space. But crypto space right now is very early on. There's still a lot of things that could happen, and I think that you should always only invest on something that you can completely lose, which apparently not a lot of people are doing. There's a lot of people who uses credit as well, which is a very bad way of investing. Never use credits unless you're completely and 100% sure that your investment will gain. There will be a lot of more updates, and I will be doing reviews as well. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe and like on this video, and that's about it. Goodbye.